Mighty Eagle's battle cry.
Hi, my name is Chuck. I'm sorry we got off on the wrong foot. I like you a lot, I can tell.
I gotta be honest, you look a little fine. You look fine. I know what I gotta do. I'm sorry, what?
It's okay. It's just the way we're wired.
I know what I gotta do.